Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete temporary files on your Windows computer. So one really free and easy and pretty quick way to free up space on your hard disk is to delete temporary files, often referred to as temp files. So basically they're just files in your operating system that are only needed to exist temporarily while in use, but once they're done, they're pretty much just taking up space. So we're going to go through cleaning out the temp folder on our computer, and it should be pretty straightforward. This should apply for most versions of the Windows operating system as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on it one time. Once you've opened up the Start menu, you want to type in Run, so R-U-N. When best matches should say Run right above Desktop App. You just want to left click on it one time. Now, once you're in this Run dialog window here, you want to type in the percent sign. So do like a percent, so the two little dots separated by a line, and then type in temp, T-E-M-P, and then you want to do another percent sign. Please note the percent sign should be right above the 5 number on your keyboard. So if you look at the top, you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys. Should be also shared with the 5 key on your keyboard. So hold down the shift and the 5 key at the same time to get the percent sign. And once you've done that, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. This will basically open up the temp folder in here. Once you're done doing that, you want to left click inside this folder and then left click on the Control and the A key on your keyboard to select all of these items. Now you want to right click inside of here and then left click on delete. It'll say you'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Left click on this continue button right here. This will take a couple minutes to run. Now if it says that anything cannot be completed because it's open, just left click inside the box that says do this for all current items and left click on skip. That means there are some items that are probably still in use, and I'd recommend just skipping over those. You don't really want to mess with them at this point, but it should be pretty quick. And then once you're done doing that, I would recommend closing out of here. And now you want to open up your recycling bin. All of your temp files have been put into here, so at this point you just want to go up and left click on the manage button up here, and then left click on empty recycling bin. It's going to say, are you sure you want to permanently delete these items? Left click on yes, and then just click on continue if you get any prompts like that. Once you're done, you should be good to go from this point on. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.